Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello power-ups for approvals and document storage, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Trello Power UPS for approvals and document storage, first, log into your Trello account. Navigate to the board where you want to update the Power UPS. Click on the Show menu button on the right side of the board. In the menu that appears, select Power UPS. This will take you to the power. To update a specific power-up, find it in the list or use the search bar to locate it. Once you find the desired power-up, click on the Settings button next to it. Review any update options available for that power-up. If an update is available, you will see an Update button. Click the Update button to initiate the process. Follow any prompts provided to complete the update. Next, if you are adding a new power-up for approvals, return to the Power UPS directory. Locate the Approvals power-up and click on the Add button. Configure the settings according to your approval workflow needs. After configuration, make sure to save your changes. For document storage, repeat the process to find the desired document storage power-up. Click on Add to integrate it into your board. Follow the prompts to configure document storage permissions and settings. Ensure that all team members who need access are included. Test the functionality of the newly added Power UPS to confirm they work as intended. To finalize, remind your team of the updates and any new features they can utilize. You have successfully updated Trello Power UPS for approvals and document storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.